Alright, good day sa inyong lahat. Welcome again to our channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. And in today's video, we are going to have our quiz on the topic arrest with respect to our subject criminal procedure. Kaya ang mga sagutan later on, makikita lamang dito sa ating description box. Let us start. Question number 1. What is the duty of the arresting officer who arrests a person? Letter A. He must deliver the person immediately to the nearest jail or police station. Letter B. He must deliver the person immediately to the court. Letter C. He must deliver the person immediately to the judge who issued the warrant. Or letter D. He must deliver the person immediately to the morgue. Question number 2. The head of the office to whom the warrant of arrest was delivered for execution shall cause the warrant to be executed within how many days? Letter A. 10 days from the date of issuance. Letter B. 15 days from the date of issuance. Letter C. 25 days from the receipt or 25 days from receipt. Or letter D. 10 days from his receipts or 10 days from its receipt, I should say. Let's proceed. Question number 3. Sana yung question number 3 natin naghang. Ayan. Question number 3. Within what period must a warrant of arrest be served? Letter A. 10 days from date of issuance. Letter B. 15 days from date of issuance. Letter C. There is no limitation of period. Or letter D. 10 days from its receipt. Next, number 4. What is the lifetime of a warrant of arrest? Letter A. 15 days from date of issuance. Letter B. 10 days from its receipt. Letter C. A warrant of arrest remains valid until the warrant lifted. Or letter D. 10 days from date of issuance. Question number 5. Without a warrant, a police officer was chasing a person who has just committed an offense. The person went inside the house, so the police officer followed inside the house. The police officer saw drugs lying around. Can he confiscate the drugs and use them as evidence? Letter A. No. The police officer is not advertently or inadvertently discovered the evidence. He had no right to be there and the evidence was not immediately apparent. Letter B. Yes, the plain view doctrine is applicable to this case because there was a valid prior intrusion. Number 6. Number 6. What is the effect if a warrantless arrest is illegal? Letter A. The state deprived of its right to convict the guilty even when all the facts of record point to his culpability. Letter B. It does not render void all other proceedings including those leading to the conviction of the accused. Number 7. When should an arrest be made? Letter A. On any day. Letter B. On any time of the day. Letter C. On any time of the night. Or letter D. All of the above. Number 8. Can officer arrest a person against whom a warrant has been issued even if he does not or doesn't have the warrant with him? Letter A. No, because it is not provided under the rules. Letter B. Yes, but after the arrest, if the person arrested requires, the warrant must be shown to him as soon as possible. Number 9. If a person lawfully arrested escapes or is rescued, any person may immediately pursue or retake him without a warrant at any time and any place within the Philippines. Letter A. True. Letter B. False. And the last number, number 10. An officer making a lawful arrest may orally summon a person as he deems necessary to assist him in effecting the arrest. Letter A, true. He can orally summon as many persons as he deems necessary to assist him in effecting the arrest. Letter B, false. An officer making a lawful arrest may summon in writing many persons as he deems necessary to assist him in effecting the arrest. Alright, so this is now the end of the question, end of the quiz. So may you submit your answer using the link below, and don't forget to like, follow our page. Okay, have a nice day. See you next meeting.